For our second roulade, we're first going to make our forcemeat. We're going to start off by putting our ground turkey into the food processor or blender. Then we're going to pulse that to create a puree. Next, we're going to add our egg whites and do the same. Next, we're going to slowly incorporate our cream. Next, we'll add our red pepper and our seasonings. Pulse just a little to mix it up. And finally, blend in our goat cheese. Here's our forcemeat. Now, we need to taste this to see how our seasonings are balanced out. But remember, this is still ground raw turkey. So what we have to do is we have to make some quenelles, and we're going to poach those, and that'll allow us to taste our product. And a quenelle is you need to get 2 spoons, place an amount in the spoons, and just make a little dumpling. And we're going to put that in there, and we'll let that poach for a few minutes until it's done. And then we can taste it and check our seasonings. I've gone ahead and adjusted the seasonings to our forcemeat, and I have our flattened chicken breast here on my cutting board, and we're going to go ahead and season that with a little cracked pepper and some salt. Our next step is to spread the forcemeat on the chicken breast. Now we're going to go ahead and roll the breast jelly roll style. Next, we'll take a section of plastic wrap and we're going to roll that up in the plastic wrap. Now we're ready to blanch our roulades in a water bath that's about 165 degrees. We're going to leave those in there until they fully cooked to an internal temperature of 140 degrees. Our roulades poached for about 15-20 minutes an internal temperature of 140 degrees. You can tell when they're done. They turn opaque in color and they're firm to the touch. After I removed them from the poaching liquid, I chilled them in the refrigerator. This is a great recipe that you can use for a dinner party. You can make a day ahead of time. I often use roulades as appetizers or hors d'oeuvres. On the left we have our vegetable stuffed roulade. In the middle, I'm serving the vegetable roulade as an amuse-bouche with a banana mango chilled soup. And then on the right is our turkey mousse force meat, which I'm serving with a sesame ginger dipping sauce.